How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 64 Ford Fairlane 500 Sport Coupe. It's had a complete restoration. Very nice car. Super slick. Show quality paint on the car. Very nice car. Good, solid, clean, original panel car. The grills, the headlight bezels, and all the trim is original and excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. All the original side trims all been reconditioned. A nice set of vintage American racing wheels. They're 15-inch with the BF Goodrich TAs. All the glass is really nice in the car. It's original tail lights and bezels and tail panel applique, all in excellent condition. Re-chromed rear bumper. Tell you, these sport coupes are some really cool little cars. This is a 4-speed car with a 289. You see, car's real flat, straight, super nice car. I got this car out of Virginia. The whole engine bay is highly detailed. I mean, this thing is show ready. Got 289, got a Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got power steering, it's got air conditioning. 4-speed with the 8-inch rear. Gorgeous white interior. They reconditioned the dash and everything. The headliner is excellent. All new seat covers. Got a nice little buddy console there in the middle with the cup holders. All the carpet, everything's new. The jams are all real nice. Got a matching spare. Got the original radio. The gentleman said it did work, but they disconnected it. They put a AM/FM CD stereo there in the bottom. It's got custom kick panel speakers and rear speakers. Fires right up. Car drives beautifully. Got a nice set of headers, duals out the back. I'm sorry, I believe this car has exhaust manifolds. I'm sorry. Backup lights, everything works. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.